26 letters. If you remove out of these 5 letters A, E, I, O, U, remaining 21 become a consonant. The 5 will become vowels. Unlike in English, Arabic has its own vowels. There are two categories of the vowels. One category is called short vowels, other are called long vowels. How to identify long vowels and short vowels? So let's learn from the. We'll take one or two letters from the Arabic alphabet. Then we'll define what is short vowels and what is long vowels. These are the first two or four letters. Say G. Take on the 5 letters from the beginning Arabic alphabet. It's called Alif. Okay. If 5 letters. If so, I'll take second one here. What are the short vowels? We'll learn what are short vowels. If anything above this letter is stop, above the letter is stop, there is a vowel. The name of this vowel is called Fatah. Fatah. I don't want to write in Arabic because being learners, Fatah. It will give a R sound. It will give R sound. Yeah. You know, every language has 3 kinds of sounds primarily: A, E, I, U. So this is a short vowels. Above stop called Fatah. Same letter I take to clear the subject. Stop below this letter. This is called Kasra. Kasra. It will give E sound. E sound. The third one is called same letter. It comma like structure. It will give U sound. The name of this vowel is called Dhamma. D-A-M-M-A-H. Dhamma. It will give U sound. Okay. So A, E, U. Second one. Fitting. Third one, Ta. If you put Ta here, the name of this is called Ta, Ti, Tu. Te. Actual name is Te. If you put this one, Ta. Okay. Ta. Ti. Tu. Like Sa, Si, Su. Ja, Ji, Ju. That is a G. Name of this letter is called G. So Alif, Be, Te, Se, Ji. A, I, U, Ba, Bi, Bu, Ta, Ti, Tu, Sa, Si, Su, Ja, Ji, Ju. See, the sound is snapping, cutting off. Ba, Bi, Bu, Ta, Ti, Tu. It gives a short spell of the particular letter. Therefore, these are called short vowels. Called short vowels. In Arabic, these are called Fa'al, Khisar, short vowels. Short. Fatah, Kasra, Dhamma. It will be snapping sound. It's about the vowels. What are the long vowels? What are the long vowels? Here you can see these vowels are standing alone independently, unlike in English. Okay. Apart from the alphabet, this is additionally taken, these 3 short vowels. That is Fatah, Kasra, and Dhamma. What are the long vowels? We learn, we learn long vowels. What are the long vowels? Same letter we'll take. I'll take this first one for clear understanding. Here, just like in English, we'll borrow 3 letters from the alphabet. So here we are borrowing 3 letters. These letters are called very weak letters. Those letters are first one, this one, plus Alif we have taken. These are called short, weak letters. Other one is last letter of this alphabet we have taken. Ye. and one more from the middle, that is called waw. This is called alif. This is a or e sometimes. This is wow. Not in English wow. This is wow, not wow. No, this is wow. So these letters are borrowed from the Arabic consonants or Arabic alphabet. Okay, fine. So how it sounds? When you add along with they, and this will become, will take only this part of the day. No need to make so big, take it just like this. That alif being added here. This is ba. When it's alif is added, become ba. It will give little bit stretchable sound, stretchy sound. Then other one is second one, take they, same way will take smaller part of this, and a being added here, they. See, this is, but here is a kasra, no? So kasra is here. So this become a b. B, little before just b. Now b, little bit stretch, you can stretch it. So third one is they, will take again part of the they, and wow being attached here, they, wow. This is in Dhamma. So boo. It will give us, this is a B, big sound, stretchable sound. This is a boo, stretchable sound. Before ba, bi, boo, now ba, bi, boo. Different sounds. The short vowels is give short sound, long vowel give a long sound. So this is all. And further, there is some symbolic is there in Arabic. That is called sukun. Either it may be a small circle or it may be half circle. Sukun. This will help connecting the two letters. Actually, you see, here things are not connected. Of course, we connected, but there should be some symbolic to represent these two words are connected. This will either you may take half of this half circle or full circle. We'll take half circle for more clarity. So if you put here, they, alif being, it shows alif is connected with the they. So it becomes a ba, because fatha is the a sound, ba. Similarly, here, once again, the a is connected with the they, but this is carrying the kasra. So it shows b sound. Then here also the same, here, waw is attached with they. So it has a dhamma. It gives the sounds of boo. So this is symbolic part of this connector is called sukun. So this is how Arabic vowel stands to represent, give different sounds according to the category. Ba, bi, bu, ba, bi, bu, ta, ti, tu, ta, ti, tu. See, similarly, you can add te also here. I'll put one more. Very strange. Ba is over. We'll take last one. Little bit strange sound is coming. Ja before. This is Jim actually. We'll write 3. If it is a fatha, it is ja. If it is a down stroke, G, this is Ju. So ja, Ji, Ju, it gives short sound. What is a long sound? Same way I said, if you add alif here, it will become a, we'll take part of this one. This is useless. Ja, okay. With the sukun, we give ja sound. Then other one is kasra is here. So G, A being added here, just like a previous one. G, this one is part of the G, wow, with the sukun. Ju, ja, ji, ju. Before ja, ji, ju. Ja, ji, ju. Short vowels of 3 kinds, fatha, kasra, dhamma, along with 3 letters, alif, ye, waw is added, give long sounds. long vowels. So this is a long vowels, these are the short vowels. For all the letters you can use this kind of short and long vowels. So some more one more lesson is there for the vowels. That is for example be. If you take double dhamma, you take double kasra, you take double dhamma. This double kasra, double fatha. So these will give kind of in sound, in sound. Not it's not anymore ba. It is a ban. Kasra e sound. Bin. This is a bun. Ban bin bun. Tan tin tun. Sun sin sun. Jan jin jun. Likewise, I have one more video already there. It's already I installed. Already is in the not in the process. It's running. So for more details, you can refer that video. Here we talk about what are the long vowels and what are the short vowels. Hope you understand. Lal, tafhum, ish, فعل الخسار فعل الطويل. Okay. Okay. مرة شوف في فيديو تاني. حتى الوقت. مع السلامة. كله بخير.